Hello YouTube. Today in this video tutorial we will be learning how to locate the notes in a guitar fretboard. So stay tuned. What happens usually is that many guitarists they knows how to play the open chord. Usually with the beginners they knows how to play the open chord, but thing is that they have problem in searching the notes in a guitar fretboard. So uh, with the help of this video I will try to help you to locate the notes in a guitar fretboard. So for your instance, I have drawn roughly the guitar fretboard here. This is the guitar fretboard and these are the strings E, A, D, G, B and E strings of the guitar. So like this is the fretboard, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. So like here how to locate the chords. So we have some tricks to remember the location of the guitar fretboard. So in order to know, we just have to know the two theories or the two steps. There is that there is sharp or flat note after one seminote, which means that after E, this is one seminote. Okay, this is one seminote, and two frets is called one full note. So after each note, in the seminote there is a sharp, or the before one it's called flat. And the second is that there is no sharp note after B note and E note, which means that there is no sharp note after B or E. So here E. So what will be the case here is that after E it will be directly F note. Similarly it applies in case of B, but in case of others it does not apply, and in case of others this applies. There is sharp or flat note. So here is an example in the guitar fretboard. After E we don't have any sharp, so like F we have, after one seminote we have F, then after one seminote from F we have A sharp, or one seminote before before this is called the note which will come after this, before this it's named flat. So it's called G flat, either G flat or it's called F sharp. So after one seminote we have got F sharp. Then after one full note we have that key, that's G, or that key or note, that's called G. So like it follows the alphabetic form. Like after F it will be G, right? After E it's F, then after F it's G. Then again this goes on. Like after G sharp, then after G sharp A, after A sharp, and after A sharp B. But here again, according to the second theory, B note, after B note there is no like sharp or flat note, so after B it comes directly C. Okay, so this is the simple funda here, nothing rocket science is there. So like if you can locate the notes in a fretboard, like suppose you have located this, and now in order to know the catch the notes of the song, like if you hear a music or a song being played, then you just have to do one thing, is that you have to guess the root note or the bass root note of that song. And after, if you, after identifying that, you just simply with the help of the instrument known as capo, you can put that capo in that thing, in that fretboard, in that particular fretboard, and you can play that song in an open chord. For example, like if the song is played in A and you are having difficulty in playing this as a bar chord, so you can just put capo in the second fret and you can play this in the shape of the G. So this is how you can easily play songs by identifying the bass root note, and but just simply putting the capo in the desired fretboard. I hope I could help you guys. So if you like the video, please like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.